everybody. Today I want to show you what I do when I get a craving for a salty snack. I love my potato chips, but on low carb you can't eat them. So I came up with my own little recipe using 3 ingredients: daikon radish, a good oil like avocado oil or peanut oil. I'll be using peanut oil, and salt or your favorite seasoning. Let's get started. So guys, I did it. This is 1 daikon radish that has been fried. Well, you saw what happened. First I spiralized them, and then I fried them in the peanut oil and then salted them. And they are crispy and crunchy and salty and delicious. So I hope you enjoy the recipe. Have a great day.